Happy Tuesday, friends. Welcome to a beautiful roof here in 𝗓𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania. My name is Drew with 𝗂𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and we are working on a small patch here where a branch came down from some of these ginormous trees that we have all around us and landed on the roof and punctured this big old hole right through here. The bed of the back end of the branch was here, and it was about 15 feet in that direction. And left quite a mess, and the homeowner heard a nice loud bang, and so he went upstairs and got a bucket into the attic fairly quickly, which prevented some of the internal water damage that you would have expected and associated with this kind of damage in the middle of a hurricane. But the good news was it happened right towards the end of the storm when it came down, so that solved some problems for him. So we got here about an hour ago and started working on getting the inside fixed. And cleared the tree branch, got all the branches off the roof, cut everything back, threw it off the roof on the ground, went up into the attic and reinforced the underside of the sheathing. The plywood had been punched through. You could actually see branch inside the attic. So we got up in the attic, and after we got the branch cut up and off the roof, we went back up in the attic, and I cut a piece of 2x10, and we wedged that up between the rafters underneath. So now I got a solid piece of wood here for us to work on. And this is more than we're going to get into. We'd have to strip off a whole section of shingle here in order to try to patch this, replace this OSB sheathing, and then put all this back together, and we do not have time to get that done tonight. We're trying to get them waterproof so that they're good to go for the short term time being, and get them to the point where they know it's not going to leak again, and that gives them time to figure out insurance, or you know, are we getting a whole roof? Are we patching it? What are we doing? Trying to figure those little details out. So we're going to try to buy them some time and get the immediate situation. And I could throw, you know, an 8x10 tarp over this whole section of roof, but that's not really required for what we need to do in this situation. So we're just going to put a piece of flashing up inside of here and get that so that the hole is covered, and then put some of these nails back in, and then they're going to be good to go until such time as they can put things back together and, like I said, decide if we're just going to take this section back apart and, you know, 6 foot by 6 foot or 10 foot by 10 foot, whatever we got to do to get enough OSB out of the way, and get the OSB cut, put that in, new tar paper down, and then replacement shingles down. Of course, it's not going to match what they have now. It's going to be, this is a 26-year-old roof. So the idea of trying to get shingles that are going to be the same color, and the good news is it is in the back of the house where it's not really going to be seen, but we like to try to make things match whenever we can. So those are their choices, you know. Do you want to go through and patch a 26-year-old roof, or do you want to take it apart and price doing a whole new roof? Well, if you're going to do a whole new roof, we got to get you on the schedule, and that could be 4 weeks, that could be 8 weeks. It depends where we are in the season. So we want to make sure they're watertight until then. So this piece of aluminum in here is going to solve that problem for them and buy them some time to make a decision and figure out which direction that they want to go. So pretty straightforward process. Climbed up on the roof, cleared the tree branch, got it out of the way, cut it up in small pieces with a Sawzall, and threw it down to the ground. And once we had that out of the way, get the rest of the tree debris off the roof, and go up inside, reinforce the bottom side of the OSB with a big block of 2x10, and then come up here and put the metal on top. So if you've got storm damage, siding blew off, shingles blow off, breakboard capping blown off, give our office staff a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗂𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects, and our staff will be happy to assist you weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. The fastest way to reach us, take a photo of the damage, message us right here to us on our Facebook Messenger on our business page, facebook.com/𝗂𝘁'𝘀, and our office staff will get back to you, and we can give you a ballpark just based on the pictures. And then if you want to move forward, that's pretty easy to do. We are 𝗂𝘁'𝘀 Construction Renovation, your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078, phone number 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗂𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and then extension 2 for new projects. And when we're finished with it, you're proud to say it's not just done. It was coat built. So we'll catch you guys in another video. Thanks for joining us on this roof patch. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.